Welcome, everyone. This is docket 4890 PFP 101, the application of the Village of Pulaski for authority to change its method of cost recovery for providing public fire protection service. This is Mike Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge for the PSC. We're connected through Zoom, and we have the utility and commission staff in attendance. We've provided the connection to members of the public through our notice of hearing. But I see no members of the public connected at this time. This is an opportunity today to get evidence from the applicant and commission staff, as well as comments from members of the public. We're also taking comments from the public up until Thursday, January 26th, either through the commission's website or by US mail. And we do have 2 comments filed so far. If we do not get any members of the public in attendance today, we'll still accept those comments in writing up until the deadline, but we'll provide that opportunity if someone does appear before we adjourn the hearing. So what we're doing here today is creating the record in the case. That's the documents we identify as exhibits and verify under oath, as well as any comments we receive from the utility commission staff and members of the public. The record will be forwarded to the division administrator for the Division of Water Utility Regulation and Analysis. That's Elizabeth Beyer. Once the administrator reviews the record, the administrator will make a decision on the case, and then a written order will be issued. It'll get posted to the commission's website and emailed to the utility. So that's our basic process. And what we do first is have the utility go first and identify or verify its filings for the record. I'm just going to show a list of the documents on the screen, so we're all on the same page. So this is an email I received from commission staff Andrew Fisher with the list of the utilities documents, and then commission staff's exhibit, as well as those comments I mentioned before from the public. So we have the 6 exhibits, 6 documents from the utility. So I'll just need someone who can verify those documents under oath. You can split that up between the people in attendance, but usually I start off with the customer notice just to get that out of the way. So who do we have who can verify the customer notice documents under oath?
My name is Jody Shabilsky. I am the village treasurer, and I also do the billing for the water and sewer.
Okay, so let me interrupt just a sec. Just going to swear you in first, and then just ask you to comment on those documents. So please raise your right hand. And do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, great. So just again, state your name for the record.
Okay, Jody Shabilsky.
All right.
And I'm Village of Pulaski treasurer.
Okay, perfect. Thanks. So I'm just pointing out the customer notice documents. We have the 2 listed there on the screen. Do you see those?
I do not.
Okay, I can highlight them. Maybe you're far away there. So it's the numbers 5 and 6.
Yes, I thought you meant the actual documents. Yes, I do see the 2 have highlighted.
Yes. And so I'm just curious if are you familiar with those, or do you want to see them? I can put them up. Yeah, you are.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So let me ask you if the filings are complete and correct to the best of your knowledge.
They are.
Okay. And then in terms of the other documents, the application documents, I guess that's really, they're all considered application documents. The letter, the resolution, and the meter count. Are those documents, Ms. Shabilsky, that you can verify, or do you want to pass that on?
Nope, they are. I can.
Okay, great. So are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Do you have any comments you'd like to make?
I don't know, not really. I know the board had asked that we make this move to move the rest of the public fire protection charges onto the water bills directly, and that's kind of why we're at right now.
Okay. Anyone else in attendance wish to speak? It's not necessary.
No.
That's fine. All right. That's good. It looks like we do have the documentation, so I think we can proceed from there. So then we'll give commission staff the opportunity to verify the tariff change exhibit. So we'll move on to Andrew Fisher. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right. So can you confirm that the PWAC tariff changes exhibit is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
All right. Do you have any comments?
I have no comments.
All right. Okay. And just checking our attendance list, there's no new attendees, so no members of the public in attendance to make a comment. But like I mentioned, we'll continue to accept comments until Thursday. Also, we have the 2 already on file. So that's all we really need to do. Just giving people that opportunity and the official public hearing in the case. Like I said, we will forward the information to the division administrator, and then we will get an order shortly thereafter. So stay tuned and thanks for